Okay, I got $500 more from the bank. These came in from customers, so it ought to be interest, or some of them have. 3 of them have. 2 of them look like they came in from the, what do you call it? Federal Bureau of Printing and Engraving, and 3 of them came from customers. So, ought to be kind of fun. I'm going to do the customer ones first, and then I'll do the other ones last. So, I'm going to go through the first band of 100. I'm going to be looking for fancy serial numbers, star notes, and older notes, 1999 and older, and anything else that might look interesting. So I'm going to go through the first strap of 100, and I'll come back and let you know what I find. So check back with you here in a minute. All right, I'm done with the first stack. I didn't find any star notes, but we did find some things that are cool to look for. Sorry, my stacks aren't straight here. Went to scoot, and they didn't scoot right. So let's start off with the trinary. 713, nope, that ain't the trinary. This is a trinary. 2 6s, or 246, 5 6s, 2 4s, and a 2. So it's also 5 6s. So that's pretty cool. Older one, a 1999 one. And then the one I screwed up and showed you first, a very wrinkled up repeater. 7134, 7134. So no star notes, but we did find some good finds. So got 4 more stacks to go through. I'm going to go through the next one, and I'll check back with you here in a minute and show you what I found. Talk to you in a bit. All right, quick update on the second stack. Didn't find anything in it. Moving on to the third stack. Talk to you in a minute. All right, I'm done with the third stack, and we actually found something. We got our first star note. 2017A, San Francisco. We have a tombstone note. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. The only thing I can find that happened on these days was 1963, Emancipation Proclamation was done, and in 1958 is when Brown versus the Board of Education to enforce integration of the schools happened. Other than that, I can't find any 2 things that happened on those years that were anywhere close to being related to each other, but I'll hang on to this for a while. I don't know, if I'm going to keep it a long time or not. And then we got another fancy serial number. This time it's a radar. We got a repeater here, so now we got a radar, 38155183. So we got 2 fancy serial numbers here now, and 2 real fancy serial numbers, and 1 kind of fancy serial number, an older note, a tombstone note, and a star note. I got 200 more bills to go through. I'm going to go through the next one, and I will check back with you here in a minute. All right, we aren't finding a whole lot, but what we're finding is really, really good. This last stack, no more star notes yet, but we got a binary here, 21212212. So we now have a binary, we have a radar, we have a 4-digit repeater. So we are finding really good finds, just not a lot of them, but man, are we finding good finds. So I'm going to go through the last stack of 5, then we'll come back and we'll look up the star note, and hopefully we'll have some more star notes to look up too. So I will check back with you here in a minute, and we'll do the wrap up. All right, I'm done with the hunt now. I got 5 more from the last batch, so let's go through these real quick. I have this one here, which is 5 of a kind. It's very similar to, I guess, trinaries like up here, so I'm going to put that up there. They're really kind of common, so not really worth that much, or anything for that matter. This one right here is 7 zeros. It'd be worth a lot if they were together, but 0603, so June 3rd, year 0, but 7 zeros, so I'm going to put that over here with the better numbers. I got another older note here, another 1999 note. I got one made 99 note from Fort Worth, and one from Washington, D.C. And I found 2 more star notes. I got a B series from 2021 and an A series from 2017. And since I only had 3, I went ahead and brought these up on different screens, so we'll go look them up real quick. Bring up the right thing here. No, that's the wrong one. Bring it up full screen. Okay, this is the B one from 2021. And we'll look that up, and we can see that this one here had a run size of 3.2 million. The total printed was 4.2 million. So this one's very common both ways you look at it. The next one is the A1 from 2017A. Yep, verifying I got the number right. This one here also 3.2 million in this run, 9.6 million printed. So this one here is common. And the other one's L 00502945. Yep, from 2017A. And if we look at this one, it's part of a 3.2 million run size. They printed 4.34 million. So also very common. So we ended up with 3 common star notes. But what makes this hunt so good is that we ended up with a 4-digit repeater, 7134, 7134. A radar, 31855183, which means you start in the middle, work out, and it's the same going both ways. We ended up with a binary, all 1s and 2s. And then we had the 7 zeros. So we didn't find many star notes, but man, did we hit the jackpot on the fancy serial numbers. So that's it. Hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will check back with y'all later on. Good luck in your hunts. We do this for fun. Remember, we do this for fun. And I said do, I know that. But we do this for fun. So enjoy your hunts. Good luck, and I will talk to y'all later.